let's solve for the value of x. What do they have in common? Oh, sorry. X to the 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x. Now, when you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n, right? So since they have the same base, we are just going to pick one, which is 5. We are going to add the powers. So we have x plus x plus x, and this is equal to 10. All right. So we have 5. Now x plus x is 3x is equal to 10. So at this point, we are going to introduce log. Yes. So we introduce log to both sides of the equation, and we have log 5 to the power of 3x is equal to log 10. Now, when you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. All right. So we can simply write our equation as 3x multiplied by log 5 is equal to log 10. Now, to get the value of our x, we need to isolate anything that is connected to x, right? And to do that, we need to divide both sides of the equation by log 5 in order to be left with 3x on one side. So we are going to have 3x log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to log 10 divided by log 5. All right. Okay. Now, log 5 is going to cancel log 5. So we have 3x is equal to log 10 divided by log 5. Now, we have that 3x is equal to, so we can express log 10 as log 5 multiplied by 2, right? Divided by log 5. Now, when you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, all right. So that means that we can rewrite this as 3x is equal to log 5 plus log 2 everything divided by log 5. Okay, so we have that 3x is equal to log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. All right, then we have that 3x is equal to, this will cancel this to give us 1, right? Plus log 2 divided by log 5. All right. Now, if this is the first time you're coming across our channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Very important. Do you know why? So that you don't miss our amazing videos, so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Thank you very much. Now, recall, or let's remember this law of logarithm that states that log 2 base 5, sorry, log a base b is equal to, what am I saying? All right, when you have something like this, that is when you have log a divided by log b. This particular law is saying that this is equal to log a base b. All right. Okay, so that simply means that we can rewrite this as what? 3x is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 5. Now, to get the value of x, please stay till the end, because we are going to substitute whatever we got into the equation to show that it is right. So please don't miss that particular amazing video, okay? Because that is the most important, the most interesting aspect of this video. Yeah. So we are going to divide through by 3, divide by 3 in order to get our x, right? So you have that x is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 5, everything divided by 3. Now, to the most interesting aspect of this video, let's check our solution, the solution we got. So let's check. Now this is the question. 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x, right? So we have 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x is equal to 10. Now recall that our x, sorry about that, recall that our x is equal to, let me copy it from here, 1 plus log 2 base 5, everything divided by 3. This is our x. Okay, so it's time to substitute. So we have 5 to the power of 1 plus log 2 base 5 divided by 3, okay, multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 plus log 2 base 5 divided by 3, all right, multiplied by 5 to the power of 1 plus log 2 base 5, everything divided by 3, all right, and this is equal to 10. All right, so we have this, the same base. We are going to pick one base, which is 5, and we are going to add the powers, which will be 3 multiplied by 1 plus log 2 base 5 divided by 3, okay, all right, is equal to 10. Now when you have a to the power of m times n, or a to the power of m raised to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. Okay, so this is same thing as 5 multiplied 3 multiplied by this, and when you multiply 3 by this is going to divide this. Okay, so that means what we now have on the left hand side of the equation is 5 to the power of 1 plus log 2 base 5. That is what we have now, is equal to 10. So we are going to apply another law of indices or exponent that states that a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Okay, so that simply means that this is the same thing as 5 to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of log 2 base 5 is equal to 10. Okay, now let's apply another law that states that a to the power of log b base a is equal to b. Okay, so once you have this and this, they are the same, then this is the answer. So if we apply it here, we have 5, right? 5 to the power of 1 is 5 multiplied by, then this, since this and this are the same, the whole of this is equal to 2, is equal to 10. Okay, now 5 times 2 is 10, and 10 is equal to 2, and 10 is equal to 10. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.